Hello, my MJB inspired gardeners. Today, we're diving into the world of seed saving, and we're starting with one of your favorites, the tomato. Whether you're an avid gardener or just starting out, saving your own tomato seeds is a great way to ensure a bountiful harvest year after year. Let's get started. First things first, why save seeds? Well, it's not just about saving money, though that's it's also about preserving the best traits of your garden's tomatoes. And over time, these seeds will adapt to your garden's unique conditions, giving you stronger and more resilient plants. Here's what you'll need: some ripe tomatoes from your garden, a jar with a lid, some water, and a label to keep track of your seeds. Step-by-step guide. 1. Selecting your tomatoes. Choose the healthiest and ripest tomatoes from your best plants. If you're using heirloom varieties, even better, as they breed true to type. 2. Extracting the seeds. Cut your tomato in half and gently squeeze or scoop the seeds out into your jar. Make sure to get some of the pulp around the seeds, that's crucial for the next step. 3. Fermenting the seeds. Now, add just enough water to cover the seeds and loosely cover the jar. Set this aside in a warm place for 3 to 4 days. This fermentation process helps remove the gelatinous coating, which can prevent germination. 4. Rinsing the seeds. After a few days, you'll notice a moldy layer has formed. That's perfectly normal. Stir the contents and the viable seeds will sink to the bottom. Pour off the rest, add clean water, and repeat until the seeds are clean. 5. Drying the seeds. Spread your clean seeds on a paper towel or drying screen. Allow them to dry completely in a non-humid, shaded place. This can take a few days. 6. Storing your seeds. Once dry, store your seeds in a labeled, airtight container in a cool, dark place until you're ready to plant them next season. And there you have it. You're now ready to save your own tomato seeds, ensuring your garden is stocked with personal, adapted plants for years to come. Remember, each seed you save is a legacy you carry forward in your garden. Happy gardening! Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you won't miss any of our gardening adventures. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or share your seed saving experiences. See you next time. www.mjbinspired.com.au